Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in pay.com.au account on PC. Pay.com allows you to save multiple credit card and bank account in your digital wallet. To log in pay.com, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.pay.com.au, then press on enter. AU stands for Web Address of Australia. With that, you'll be taken to pay.com.au's website. Now here you can see login option at top right section of the website. Click on login option. Then you will be taken to the login page. Now to log into your account, you need to first enter your business email that you have used to create your pay.com account. Then enter the correct password of your account. With that, if you don't remember your password, then you can click on forgot password. Similarly, if you don't have an account, then you can click on register for free. After entering all your credentials, click on login. With that, you'll be logged into your pay.com.au account. This is how we can log in pay.com.au account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.